Hey everyone! Today we're going on a super fun adventure in Brooklyn. First, we're going to walk across the amazing Brooklyn Bridge. Did you know it's over 140 years old and was the longest suspension bridge in the world when it opened in 1883? Next, we'll visit Pebble Beach, a special spot right under the Manhattan Bridge. It's a great place to chill and enjoy the water. Fun fact, Pebble Beach is made from tiny stones called pebbles, which is how it got its name. As it gets dark, we will see the city light up. Look at these awesome views of the Brooklyn and Manhattan Bridge all lit up at night. Did you know the Manhattan Bridge has been around for 110 years? It opened in 1909 and is another one of New York City's famous bridges. This one-day vlog is all about the fun and exciting places in Brooklyn. From the busy bridge walk to the calm moments at Pebble Beach, there's so much to see and do. Look at these cool views of New York City. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.